YouTube channel W.D.T High Performance. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I got a package. And let's go take a look what's inside. Alright, got inside my garage and let's open it. This came from the website Vicrez.com. and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that name right. Let's see what we got here. Alright, got the box finally open. We'll just take a look now. Alrighty then. This came from Vicrez.com. A buddy of mine on YouTube, TIADO Racing. That's his YouTube channel. He has this on his Dodge Challenger. He has a 2009 Dodge Challenger 6.1 Hemi. And this is the from Vicrez.com. This is the Demon replica. This is the kit. You get the side flares and the front bumper. It comes with everything you need to put the kit together yourself. And there's another guy on YouTube, I forget his YouTube channel, but he done it too, and he used JB Weld for the side flares. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to screw these in on my Challenger on the side where they stay in place. And yeah, so let's take this out and take a look at it. So this is Vicrez.com, and the model number is VZ101768. I'll put the link down below for this one if you guys want to get it. Hey, I'm getting some stuff to come out for you all to see. Here's some of it right now. Before I go any further, Vicrez.com give me an awesome hat. Looks like a air freshener. Thing to hold my keys. That's awesome. See, there's my buddy's Challenger. His YouTube channel again is TIADO Racing, and yeah, it should definitely go out his check out his YouTube channel. Should definitely check it out. So anyway, this is all they give you. So they give you the 3M tape stuff. I'm not gonna be using the side markers that goes on the side of your flares on the wheel well. I'm gonna screw those on. Then I do my cut, and here is the side flares right here. Totally gonna wear that hat. That's awesome. Thank you, Vicrez.com, and thank you, TIADO Racing. for helping me make my final decision what to do with my Dodge Challenger here to make it look better. No more looking at the Challenger, looks like it's smiling at me. So yeah, we'll take a look at the other stuff we got here. Found another thing in my box from Vicrez.com, a keychain. Bow opener keychain. That's pretty cool. So yes, I will be doing a video on my YouTube channel for everyone to see being put on my Dodge Challenger. Yes, I will be doing a video, and I will promote you guys in my YouTube channel for you all for everyone to check out your guys' website and your YouTube channel as well. Make sure you guys all go to Vicrez.com and Vicrez YouTube channel and check out TIADO Racing YouTube channel. So my buddy Brian, check his YouTube channel out, definitely. So what we get with the front bumper kit, you get all this. If I can stand back here, you get all this here, and you get all this, all the stuff you need to put it together and install it. And I will take it out of plastic for you all to take a look at it and get a better look at it and go from there. Alrighty then, this is what it looks like out of the plastic. So this is what the front bumper looks like when you get it from Vicrez.com. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You get all this over here. And it looks really nice. I love it. I can't wait to put it together and put it on my Dodge Challenger. Yeah, you notice it's dark outside. When I did the video, it was sunny out. So I ran into a little snag here. This was bent right here. This was kind of bent right here. Now it's fixed. I called Vicrez, talked to their technical support, and they advised me to use a heat gun and bought myself a heat gun. There's my heat gun right there. So it actually worked very, very well. It went back to shape. So it looks really good. Thank you, Vicrez. I really do appreciate Vicrez.com. Thank you with your team and everything for helping me out. God bless you all. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this video up. You should go out to check out his YouTube channel. It's really nice, very good. He painted a truck. He worked on a Dodge Ram 1500. It's an older Ram truck. I don't know if it's a 1500 or not, but so yeah, go check out his YouTube channel. He does a lot on there. Check it out. JustMoperJoe. So that's his YouTube channel, JustMoperJoe. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, W.D.T High Performance. If you like it, please hit like. Please subscribe to my channel, and please join us on Facebook. The group is called Wicked Dodge Toys. Love to have you. All take care and peace.